This is the Husqvarna Aspire P5-P4A. It's the smallest Husqvarna chainsaw. Here is an 18-volt drill for scale. Today I'm attempting to make a chainsaw sculpture using this saw. I decided to make a mushroom since I don't have a lot of experience, and Google Gemini said it's simple. However, I didn't mention what saw I will use. I have made an attempt on carving with this saw before. I made this gnome, but to this day I don't understand how I managed to do it. Maybe I should have watched the tutorial before starting, but the battery ran out since I forgot to charge it. So I had lunch and watched the tutorial while the battery charged. It's quite quick to fully charge, but I had to wait a while since the battery was too hot to charge from the beginning. But that's also the only thing that got warm from doing this. Now, after watching a tutorial, I started over in the right end this time.
Pretty pictures from the upward bound. When the thunder hits, it doesn't make a sound.
The chainsaw bore on this saw is only 13 cm or 5.12 inches long, and it doesn't even have an automatic oiling system, so you need to manually apply oil to the bar. The manufacturer claims a maximum cutting diameter of 75 mm or 2.75 inches, but let's just say I've been cutting way thicker wood with this.
Doesn't make a sound. World's in a hurry just to be let down. Wearing no worry like a wedding gown. Your body's on time, your body's on time. You made it, you made it. Your body's on time, your body's on time. You made it, you made it.
Be clean, and neat, and be on time.
Take a minute, catch your breath. Take a minute, pass your test. Take it easy, take a step. Take a seat and be my guest.
This didn't turn out too bad if you ask me, but the point of this video is not to show off my exceptional carving skills, but to prove my point that this, the cheapest and smallest brand new Husqvarna saw, is way more capable than what Husqvarna claims with their maximum cutting diameter and such. And if you have followed my channel for a while, you know I have been regularly cutting thick trees with it and haven't had any problems with it.
Made it, you made it.